up, gang? We got a cocktail today called the Machine Gun Funk. I'm gonna walk you through it. Cocktail is based on a Biggie Smalls song, one of my favorite inspirations. Gin I originally used for it was named after a World War II bomber, so got a little machine gun action going on there. We're gonna walk you right through it. We're gonna start you with 1 egg white. Always start with the egg white, just in case the yolk breaks, you can start fresh. You don't ruin your cocktail. Save that for the carbonara for the kitchen. All right, next up, we're gonna take some citrus. Start with a lemon, then a lime. Do about a ½ ounce of each. Now the lime. Okay, great. Next up, put in a little Allspice Dram here. Just a ¼ ounce. A little simple syrup as well. This should be enough to get the job done here. And now we're tossing some gin. This is Barr Hill out of Vermont. These guys are doing some great things. All right, we've got all of our contents in the cocktail now. So we're gonna give it a dry shake with that egg white. We're gonna froth it up, give us a blank canvas to play with a little later. Beauty. And again. Great. I like my sours to have a little effervescence. So we're gonna put in a little Prosecco, just an ounce. We're gonna prep this thyme sprig for later. It'll come in handy. Basically my take on a slow gin fizz. Only thing missing now is some slow gin. So we're gonna use some Averell Damson. This one's based out of upstate New York. They use fresh plums, always fresh plums in the bottle. It's delicious. We're gonna stick it to the bottom so you have a little dessert for later. Beautiful. Okay, great. Now on the top, some classic Angostura bitters, you never miss there. Great. Now any straw, skewer, bamboo skewer you got at home, anything works. This is how you know you made it with love. Mixed with more. All right, great. Thyme sprig is nice and beautiful, just how we want it. Now we'll do something pretty with it. Got it. That's some Machine Gun Funk. Yeah. Cool. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. See you next time.